So in this video, I will be explaining how I managed to create my tessellation using a five pointed star. So what I did was a research to understand what is tessellation. So tessellation is whereby you create the shape, or you take a shape, and then while you join the shape, it doesn't leave any gap or overlaps. This is my tessellation, my product. So what I did to get this, I looked at my page, which is an A4, and how will I be able to create my tessellation using the star. So first I put a little half of a star here to fit in the A4, and while I'm joining the stars, I realize that I'm creating a pentagon, and there's a little bit of a triangle, pentagon, triangle, and so on. So what I've learned is to be a critical thinker and problem solver, and also a tessellation maker, because I managed to create stars, tessellation using stars, to get three different results, which is the kite, the pentagon, and the triangle.